Yes, increase farm projects. It is very nice project, self-dependent. Very good. Krishna personally, he lived in village farm, cows, calves, land, Govardhana hill. It is very nice. In America, you have got so much land. Produce vegetable, grains, milk, eat sumptuously. No economic question. Prepare very nice product and make some money by sending ghee in the city. Our farm projects are an extremely important part of our movement. We must become self-sufficient by growing our own grains and producing our own milk. Then there will be no question of poverty. So develop these farm communities as far as possible. Therefore let everyone chant Hare Krishna, eat nicely and keep their bodies fit and healthy. This is ideal lifestyle. We do not condemn modern civilization, but we don't like to get it at the cost of God consciousness. That is suicide. To develop a farm community such as the one you are doing, it requires much hard work and endurance. But if you work sincerely, then Krishna will give you all facilities and men.
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare
Bhavatu panne nahi konishvaro Sri Chanana Tarangi Dane Dasa Koroparo Chanana Tarangi Dane Dasa Koroparo Sri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Dasa Ranudasa Praratana Kodoye Sadanaro Tamoda Jodi Dayana Kodive Patita Dekiya Jodi Dayana Kodive Patita Dekiya Patita
It has 7,500 acres.
7,500 in Texas.
Jaya Radhe, Jaya Krishna, Jaya Vrindavan.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram.
Few years, there will be a beautiful temple there in New Navadip Dham.
It has to make a whole Krishna conscious community. 7,500 acres, 7 miles by 3 miles.
It's like heaven on earth.
26 lakes.
26 lakes on the property.
Which is really both here in McAllen and Edinburgh. It's an amazing place that we know has a lot of potential for the future.
We did our research. How much people are paying a land in Lashaw and religious. They don't offer a competitive price.
Amazing.
A property that has a lot of potential here in our area.
So this is a first class place. This place is like Chintamani Dham.
I congratulate you and I thank you.
All goes to Srila Prabhupada and all of you. Is Srila Prabhupada's legacy if you can do something on this property. Srila Prabhupada wanted to do a farm committee.
I can say the heaven on earth.
Down the property and saw these beautiful lakes there. I felt like I wasn't in our city.
Elon Musk has his SpaceX, Boca Chica.
I request all those who are seeing this video to visit this sacred place.
Someday he will be boasting that he is close to
We're excited about this project.
Elon Musk will say, my SpaceX, it is close to Navadvip Chandra. And everyone, oh, now I know it is.
Beautiful lakes that remind us of Vrindavan. Anybody who will come here, they will be in love with this project. We know this is going to be the place of the future here in the Rio Grande Valley. All Americans will come to see one day this place.
My best wishes for very successful project to please Srila Prabhupada and the Guru Parampara.
This project just is attracting, pulling people.
This is Gauranga's Kala and this is Nitai's Kala.
New Navadvip Dham ki jai.
Srila Prabhupada ki jai, New Navadip Farm ki jai.
Shri New Navadvip Dham ki jai.
New Navadvip Dham ki jai. Krishna, Krishna.
Krishna Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Rama Hare Rama, Rama Rama Hare Hare.
Patita pavana namo kisvera lagiya. Kondango kanuno korontina hinutrane.
Jatra Adi Mahotsav Shobho Shikai হতো তবে কি হতো